Once your account has been deactivated, you can still reactivate it. But if your account has been closed, then you cannot reactivate anymore. So let's go and see the process for reactivating your deactivated account. So to do that, you need to go to evernote.com and then click on login right here. So once you do that, you need to enter out your email address as if you are signing normally and click on continue. And then you need to go around and enter out your password and click on sign in. Once you do that, what happens is that you get an option right here. It's saying that user account has been deactivated. Would you like to reactivate it? So you need to click on the reactivate text right here. Once you do that, you need to go around and enter out your email address right here and click on reactivate just like this. So once you do that, what happens is that reactivation email will be sent to your account. So over here on your inbox, you can see the Evernote account reactivation confirmation. So once you click on this, you can click on reactivate my account right here. Once you do that, what happens is that it asks you to choose a new password right here. So I'm just going to go around and use a new password right here, just like this. Let me just go around over here as well. And I'm just going to go around and revoke all of my existing sessions as well and reset it out right here. So once I do that, I can update out the password on my browser and you can see that my account has been reactivated now, and I get onto my Evernote page again, and all of my notes that I previously made, it is still there. It hasn't been deleted because my account was deactivated. It was just hidden, but now my account is fully reactivated and I can have access and edit my old notes that I once used to edit once more. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.